Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Downs. I am the founder of USA Guard and the maker of HypoNasal nasal spray. I'd like my customers to know some things about this product so that they can use it in the most effective way. First of all, you need to know how this product is made. Most hypochlorous acid nasal sprays or any type of use are made with electrolysis of salt water. So when they're made, they're very salty. They are also contaminated with products in them that you don't want to use in your nose, such as hydrogen peroxide. Many of them are stabilized because they don't have a long shelf life with acetic acid. So when you get a product like that, oftentimes you'll get it, and sometimes it will contain no hypochlorous acid at all, or at very low levels, which is not optimal for use. Our product has a 2-year shelf life and is very stable, and it's made with a non-electrolysis method, so it is much more pure. As a matter of fact, it's pure HOCl and water, so it's very pure, and it's also stable for a long time. Now, many of the people who start using our product have already unhealthy nasal tissues. One of the things you can do when you start using this product is to gradually begin to use it in a step-like fashion. In other words, if your tissues are unhealthy, some people get a little sting when they use this product. It's very short-lived and it's certainly not harmful. It just tells you that it's working. But what you'd recommend if to help with that is you might pre-rinse your nose with a little salt water just to kind of moisturize it before you use it. You can also use it with a gradual introduction by this method. I would take the product and just spray at the nose, not in the nose, and then sniff it up. Now, that can give you all the product you need to get into your nose and do the job that it needs to do. The second thing to do when your nose gets more used to the product is to put it in horizontally rather than vertically. In other words, you can put it in like this, spray it, and then sniff it up. And once your nose gets feeling better and cleaner and more healthy, then you can also use it as a regular vertical use. So I'd recommend that step-like fashion for all people who start out using the product so that you get a good experience with it. And we know that it's going to clean out the nose better than anything you've seen on the market. I believe that you will also notice that um, it doesn't have a salty, briny texture or smell to it. And it's also better for you, in my opinion. So thank you very much. And let me know if you have any questions or suggestions on our website at usaguard.com. Thank you very much.